Whenever you are.
Do you videotape every single one? Yeah. That's just for documentation? Or?
Yep. Why? Okay.
That should be increasing the mode percentage. That's fine.
I don't like it. What? Lining up at the beginning.
Told you, make it.
They should have you be able to run virtual code.
That'd be
Harder than like doing this? Come on.
Yo, no one would be here. No one would touch it.
And then you can determine like if it works virtually, then it's something wrong with the hardware.
Like, your hardware is never wrong. Technically.
Are you serious?
Like, oh my God,
Your software is never wrong. Your hardware would be wrong.
you know, but if you're testing
What would broke?
and you're testing, right? Your hardware is
Your hardware is never wrong. Yeah. So then you birth and you know it's just your hardware. And then that's all you gotta fix. Wow. That was bold.
Thanks.
Where did you go?
Oh.